Rich Blood.
Check. Started off like this, four to the flow, that's the sound of the kick. Half off beat, then the snare drum hits. In a 4-4, that's how it all fits. Check my outfit, blue jeans, checker shirts with a crisp pair of kicks. Blues mean, but black's my shit. Chrome 22s on a 2-inch lip. I smile when you cry like Lily Allen. Shit's comedy to me, but I ain't Jimmy Fallon. Birds, fowls, falcons attempt to impale me with their talons, but I repel them with my style. It's way too strong, like Thor's mallet. Proceed rolling, see the hammer that I'm holding? Powered by the soul of Odin. Sometimes I feel my dick got its own. When a smart girl give me a head, I call it. See the way I work that body blows her. She can't help but to let me know that pussy's. She say, boy, what it gon' do? Girl, what it don't do? Bitch, stop playing when you know I really want you. Scoop a little Doya at Del Taco and hit the fish taco. So when she hits Sancho, she'll say Rich Black, yeah, he's not your average nigga. More above average nigga. Yeah, in the back of my mind, I wish I could have that nigga. I know you heard me almost run out of wind on that one. Nigga, that was a digga, bitch. Sorry it took so long for this mixtape to get done. I know I promised y'all like 2010, but whatever. Whatever, man.